Ho ho ho, and welcome to Christmas Eve, the 12th day of our 12 tools for Christmas, and we're going to be discussing GBox.
GBox is touted as the all-in-one Instagram utility application, which comprises of 10 separate tools that allows its users to play around with Insta posts, stories, IGTV, and we use it because it allows to complement a whole bunch of different apps into one app. It's really simple and easy to use, and we recommend it for anyone who's doing Instagram seriously in their business because it enables you to do grids, it enables you to comprise hashtags, and you can also use it to create almost anything that has to do with Instagram.
So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you use that tool, make sure you comment below and let us know how you go with it. So make sure you check out Video Confidence Coach on all of your social medias and all of the Facebooks and all of the places that we are. And if you have any questions, you can just DM, email us and all that cool stuff. Hope you have a Merry Christmas and stay tuned for tomorrow for another thing.